I'm going to make almond punch. That's been a family favorite for quite a while. And you start with a 12-ounce can of frozen orange juice concentrate and a 12-ounce can of frozen lemonade concentrate. And then you take, and I microwaved it so that it wouldn't be too hard to get out of there. So I'm going to put that right in this.
Just the 2 concentrates.
Yes, it needs to be concentrated. Right in this container that Diana has.
I bought this container at Costco, and it's very inexpensive. I think it was under $8.
Wow.
It has a lid, so you can keep it dust-free. But I also happen to have this extra long spoon that Bonnie gave me years ago. Where'd you get the spoon?
At a restaurant
Just
supply.
at a restaurant supply. So this is really handy and convenient to work in the sink on your punch.
And I don't think they can see it, but it's got how many quarts?
22
It's got a
quarts.
measure
So you
right
can
on
use it
there,
as a
yeah.
big measuring
That's
jar, but we're
amazing.
making a smaller amount,
Yeah.
but we wanted to show you this system for making punch in the sink.
And you have room to stir and put all the
Yes.
ingredients in there. And then, let's see, this makes a gallon. And then it's a cup of sugar,
Just 1 cup.
just 1 cup for the gallon. And then I need
Okay.
12 cups of water or 3 quarts.
I recommend you rinse out that,
Oh, this, yeah, I lost
Yes.
some of this.
with the,
I'll do a little splash.
Never put some of that water in.
Yeah.
so measuring right up to the rim is 1 quart.
Yep, 1 quart.
Don't want to see any of our viewers measure 12 individual cups, just 3 quarts.
Yeah.
Okay,
And then you do a combination of vanilla, not the instant, but pure vanilla, and a teaspoon of each of vanilla and almond extract. So it doesn't take a lot. I try to make sure I make
the surprising thing is that the almond extract really carries.
Yes, it really does. And the two you can't taste one or the other when they're together. Yeah.
They combine into something
Yeah.
else.
I can smell the
Smells
almond
really
and the
good.
vanilla. Smells good.
So one thing I have done, you can, if you want, add some Sprite. That makes it a little bit different. But I have taken some Jell-O molds and taken some of this punch, froze it, and then floated it in the punch bowl that I poured that in.
Yes.
That way you're not diluting with ice.
You could use a bundt pan for your ring mold too.
Yes, you really
Any
could.
any kind of pretty shape would work.
Okay, so now I'll have a taste.
All right.
Yummy.
Delicious.
Yeah.
So I'm surprised at how much you taste the orange and the lemonade.
And the lemonade.
It's very citrusy.
Well, how it meshes together, and I think I wouldn't identify what's in it by drinking it.
Yes.
I've had people guess before, and they all think it's pineapple juice.
Oh, I can see that, but it's not.